JC here, and we're gonna explore the tracks today.
Have a time lapse.
Alright, so while we were exploring the track, we found this little tube that we think somebody was living in, because there's like a ton of sleeping supplies everywhere.
And a squirt bottle. That broke.
There's geese! So right here, we got some fresh deer poop. Yeah. Here, grab it. I can pull you up now.
Out there. Don't fall.
Catch it. Throw it better next time. Yeah, throw it. Yeah, it's coming back.
Oh, you.
Try again. Got it.
Hand hurt.
Here, grab it. You're gonna slip. Okay, I got it.
So we found this ball right over there. Now we're gonna pop it.
Bust his ass. Keep it going. So there's a bridge coming up soon, and we're gonna stand by it for a little bit. So there's the bridge that I was talking about before. Oh, I'm not stopping. I'm in the motion. I fucking hate bridges. Alright, we didn't really see much except for that like homeless person's house that they were living in a tube. But this is MMJC, and we're out. Like, subscribe, and comment what we should do next. Bye.